Today we're digging into the new Newellme Happy Cleanser. So is it a scam gadget or a real cleaner supplement? So this device is marketed online with sweeping promises of deep cleansing, detox, boosting immunity, and improving your gut health, even claiming to be an all-in-one miracle product. But when you look closer, evidence is thin. So this one right here, most independent reviewers flag it as more hyped than substance, pointing out that the science behind its claim is weak, its marketing tactics, heavy social media ads, celebrity tie-ins, limited time offers are suspicious, and many users report that it has little to no noticeable changes. There's no strong political or clinical data proving it delivers on its sweeping promises. That said, it doesn't necessarily appear to be a pure scam, but you often do receive a product when you order, but its advertised benefits seem greatly exaggerated. So the bottom line is that you must approach this product with caution, don't expect a miracle, and always consult a professional before relying on any cleanser as your health solution.